Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIPS Home School. I am Sabreena, assistant teacher of Science, National Ideal English Special School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student on the based on short question answer and competency based question answer, which is belongs to chapter 14, the last chapter of our book. So let us move forward to today's topic. Dear students, the name of the chapter is Population and Natural Environment. The first short question is, what needs will increase due to population growth? The answer is the need for food, clothing, housing and land, educational institution, transports, etc. will increase due to population growth. Now come to next one. The world population is gradually increasing. There are about 700 crore people living in the world now. Give 3 examples of negative impacts of population growth on the environment. The answer is 3 examples of negative effect of population growth are: first one, people clear forests to cultivate more crops or farm more livestock to meet the increased need. Second one, more lands are used in building shelters, roads and industries. Third one, more transport and are used for the increased number of people and thus air gets polluted more. Now come to next question. Science and technology can help in many ways. How does science and technology contribute to produce more food? The answer is science and technology contribute to produce more food by using agriculture machinery that helps people to grow a lot of food in shortest time period. Now come to next question. Nowadays which are used for energy production? The answer is the solar and atomic energy are used for energy production. Question number 5 is, world human population is steadily increasing. What do you mean by population? The answer is the population consists of people of a particular country of all about young, infant, old men and women. Now come to next question. The population growth of our country is high. Then what is population density and how much did the population increase in the last 40 years from 1970 to 2011? Now come to answer. The number of people per square kilometer land area is called the population density. It is determined by dividing the population of an area by its land area. The population of Bangladesh became almost double in the 40 years from 1970 to 2011. Question number 7 is, increasing of population caused deforestation. What is deforestation? What is changed by this? The answer is deforestation is the clearing of forest by cutting down trees. People are destroying the forest to cultivate more crops and farm more livestock. The question number 8 is, what effect is seen on natural resources due to population growth? The answer is, as population grows, pressure on natural resources is seen. Our natural resources are finishing very quickly due to large need. The question number 9 is, why biotechnology is used? The answer is biotechnology is used to grow plants that are more nutritious, disease resistant and more productive. The answer question 10 is, what is population census? The answer is the system of counting population number of a country irrespective of all of her adult, young, infant, old, men and women in total is known as population census. Now come to last question of this chapter. Write the names of 2 problems created from population growth. Answer is 2 problems created from population growth are: first one, create pressure on natural resources, and second one, create a shortage of food, clothing, housing and land. Now come to competency based question answer of this chapter. Today we will only discuss 1 and 2 of competency based all question answer. Now first question is, science and technology has made our lives easier. Why do we have to learn science and technology? Explain. The answer is, nowadays science and technology has become a non-separable part of our daily life. Human civilization is much more advanced than it was hundreds of years before. This is due to scientific achievement of and the technology, and technology has made our life much more easier and comfortable. Science and technology has been solving problems in every sector of life. It also plays a vital role in solving various problems related to population growth in many ways, and therefore it is very important for us to learn science and technology so that we can apply them to solve various problems. Also, to advance the progress of science and technology, we have to learn about it. Learning science and technology will help us change our attitude and will make us capable of solving various problems such as population growth. Now come to next question, that is, using fertilizer and pesticide in agriculture can affect on environment. Why do people use chemical fertilizer and pesticide in agriculture? Explain. The answer is, with the advance of science and technology, the agriculture sector has also developed a lot due to invention of various machines, hybrid plants, chemical fertilizer, pesticide. Agricultural industry is making a lot of progress. In past, farmers used to use organic fertilizer. Now they use chemical fertilizer. Chemical fertilizer are much more effective than organic fertilizer, and by using it, farmer can grow plant well. It also helps to produce more crops in short time. Modern pesticides are also very effective, and using pesticides, crops can be kept free of pest. And because of these facilities, farmers nowadays are using chemical fertilizer and pesticide, but excessive use of chemical fertilizer and pesticides can cause soil pollution and water pollution. Dear students, this is our today's topic. Hope you have understood, and this is your homework number 19. You have to write as your homework short question answer 1, 2 and 3. Dear students, do your homework and submit on Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.